What's going on YouTube? So today's video we're going to be installing the Recon Cab Lights, part number 264157 for my 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500. So this is the box. Comes with, you know, stickers, hardware, and then I have the lights up top, right on top of the truck. So what I did so far is mark off all the spots where I'm going to be drilling. There's going to be one hole for the sides and then two for the middle. I'm getting my measurements, obviously double check them. Here are the lights right here. I'm going to basically go just like that. The middle one has two right over here. And let me show you the template. So I made templates for all three lights, so I could basically put it down where it needs to go and then mark off the holes I need to cut. They're 3/4 inch square. So what they say to do is get a 3/4 inch drill bit, drill the center out, and then use a Dremel to make the edges. So what I did was just go to Harbor Freight and just pick up these cutoff wheels right over here, and then yeah, just get it nice cleaned up with a file. And then what I'm gonna do is get some touch-up paint, and then just touch up all the bare metal. And before I secure everything down, I'm gonna end up using this silicone. So I'll silicone like the bottom side really well so I don't get any water intrusion. But right now, let me get the measurements down and I'll check back with you guys. All right, so what I did was took my templates, did my measurements right over here. I'll put it down, left the template in place so I could just cut around my template. Top pieces in as well, marked them off, and same thing with the driver's side. So right now, what I gotta do is remove the sun visors, the center, whatever this is. I'm not sure if I gotta grab the handles. I definitely gotta remove the A-pillars just to pull the headliner, so when I start cutting, I'm not starting a fire underneath, and plus I have to do all the wiring. So I also found out that when wiring this, that on the passenger side there's a plug that's missing right over here. Did some research, and that plug right over there, I believe it's number 9, only gets power when it's dark. So I believe that this plug was for the tow and the snow plow prep package, which I don't have. So but that pin right there. So let me go ahead and remove all the headliner stuff and I'll get back. All right, after struggling, trying to take everything off, took the grab handles right here, 9mm. This is a Torx bit, same on the other side. Now when it came to this, there's these clips right here that's holding it in, and then there's 2 screws which go right over here. If you don't take these out, you're not going to get this whole headliner sunglass thing out. And then I removed the plastic for the lane departure warning part right there, and now I'm exposed. I could pull the headliner down a little bit, And as you can see inside there, I have plenty of access right over here. So now what I'm gonna do is start cutting my expensive truck. Don't go back now. Alright, little update. So I did my holes, did my fitment, and there's my 4 holes. 3/4 inch square hole. I used some touch-up paint around the edges. I'm gonna wait till that dries, and then I'm gonna take my lights. There's a little bracket that goes right on here, and then I'm gonna put some silicone all around this ring right here, throw it in there, making sure that I'm good with my well, 1 second. So what I'm gonna do is put some silicone around this border, a nice amount, and then secure it in place. Alright, so what I'm gonna do right now is just throw some silicone to make sure there's going to be no water intrusion. I'm just going to lay it on pretty thick. There it is. Now all I gotta do is install them on the truck, tighten up these bolts, and then it'll squeeze all get it all nice and tight, and then run the electrical. Alright, so just gonna take it, feed the wire through. Make sure it goes all the way down. You're supposed to hear 2 clicks, and then underneath, you see that? Tighten that bolt up. think they look pretty good. Now it's time for the electrical. Alright, so what I did was tighten it up, the nut right here, and you can see all the silicone leaking out. They're supposed to be touching the roof, and yeah, that's it. Now it's time for all electrical. So what I'm gonna do is There's already the wiring harness that goes all the way across. I'm just gonna throw some zip ties, and then for the ground I'm probably just gonna either put it right here or just put a self tapper right up here somewhere. All right, got done with all the wiring, zip tied everything because I don't want anything rattling. As you guys can see, ran the ground right over here, ran the green power wire all the way down here, and then I temporarily fixed it to that pin. It only gets power whenever it's nighttime. So let's go ahead and try it out. I blocked the sensor. I'm gonna unlock it. There you go. It's not that bright right now because it's still bright out, but they look pretty good. But I'll get some night shots. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna just button everything up. Please, if you have any comments, use the comments. If you like, please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.